Hello friend. Now last time we have seen there are 7 types of indeterminate forms. First indeterminate form, it is the division form 0 by 0 and infinity upon infinity. Second type of indeterminate form, it is infinity minus infinity. Third type of indeterminate form, that is 0 into infinity or infinity into 0. And fourth type of indeterminate form, it is 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to infinity or infinity raised to 0 and 0 raised to 0. Now see, these are the 7 type of indeterminate form. First form, it is the division form 0 by 0 infinity upon infinity. Second form, it is the infinity minus infinity form. Third form, it is the product form 0 into infinity or infinity into 0. And this is the fourth type of indeterminate form. It is a function raised to another function. 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity. So 3 plus 4 plus these 3, there are 7 type of indeterminate form. Now see, also we have seen the L'Hopital rule, or it is called the L'Hopital rule. Now see, what is this rule? If limit form of some division, first of all we required limit form in terms of division. If the limit form of division, if that is in either 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity form. If the limit form, if it is in either 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity, then according to L'Hopital rule, we can solve such a type of limit. And how to solve such a type of limit? It is given by the formula limit x tends to a of fx upon gx. This is given by the formula limit x tends to a of f dash x upon g dash x. So see, what is this rule? If the limit form of some division, if that is either in 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity, then we can solve the division form. And how to get the answer? According to this L'Hopital rule or according to this L'Hopital rule, it is given by the formula, just take the separate derivative. Derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. Just take the separate derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. Don't apply u upon v rule. So see, in previous lecture we have seen 4 to 5 example on this division. We have seen 4 to 5 example on this third topic, 0 into infinity. Now let us take this next topic. It contains function raised to another function. So see, what is this time? If the limit form contains some function raised to another function. See, this L'Hopital rule, it is applicable only for the division. First of all, note this L'Hopital rule, it is applicable for the division. It is either the 0 by 0 form or infinity upon infinity form. If limit form, if it is a division form, and obviously it is 0 by 0 and infinity upon infinity form, then and then we can apply this L'Hopital rule. For any other remaining cases, now what are the remaining cases? This is the remaining case, which is the subtraction. This is the product 0 into infinity, and this is the last case, function raised to another function. Now this L'Hopital rule, it is applicable for the division and for any other remaining cases. These are the remaining cases. For any other remaining cases, we have to convert this form directly into division form. So see what is the method. If the limit form contains subtraction, or if the limit form contains the product, or this is the next topic, if the limit form contains function raised to another function, then what is the method? Convert this form anyhow into division form. If the limit form contains the division form, then we can directly apply the L'Hopital rule. So see what is the method. First of all, identify the given type. This limit form contains function raised to another function. So what is the method? First of all, convert this form into first of all division form. Then and then we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So write down the solution. Now see how to convert this function raised to another function in terms of division form. So this is the method. Write down the solution. Now first of all, denote this limit suppose by y. So write down this step. Let y is equal to limit x tends to 0, x raised to x. Now this is the next step. Taking limit on both sides. So this is the method. What is the method? Taking limit on both sides. So what is the limit? Limit of left hand side, it is log y is equal to limit x tends to 0 of right hand side. Now if we take logarithms of right hand side, then this is the formula. Log x raised to a, it is given by the formula a log x. Just transform this power term to this position. So this will be a log x. So use this formula. If we take the logarithm on both sides, then what is this term? Just transform this x. So we get this is x into log x. So see what is the given example. We are given the limit form in terms of function raised to another function. Now this is not the proper form for L'Hopital rule. For L'Hopital rule, we require this division form, which is the standard form. Now this is not division form. This is function raised to another function. So this is not the proper form. So first of all, convert this form in terms of the proper form, which is the division form. So what is the method? First of all, denote this limit suppose by y. And what is the next step? Taking limit on both sides. So this is our limit. So this is equal to, now solve this limit. This is limit x tends to 0. Now this limit form contains the product. Actually we require division form. So how to convert this product in terms of division form? This is the previous video. We have seen this topic, how to convert this product in terms of division form. What is the method? Either transform this first term in denominator, that means we get this division, or transform this second term in denominator. This is the method. How to convert the product in terms of division? So this is the method. Either transform this first term in denominator, or we can transform this second term in denominator. So just transform this first term. So this is log x divided by. Now if we transform this x in denominator, then we get 1 upon x. It becomes a reciprocal term. If we transform this either the first term or second term, then we get the reciprocal term. So obviously this is the division form, which is log 0, it is infinity. Put x equal to 0 in denominator, 1 upon 0, it is infinity. So this is the proper form, which is the division form, infinity upon infinity form. So see how to convert any form into division form. So see what is given form. We are given the limit form as a function raised to another function. So first of all, what is the method? we have to convert this form in terms of the standard form, which is the division form. So what are the steps? This is the method. Okay, first of all, denote this limit suppose by y, and what is the next step? Taking logarithms on both sides. So this is a standard form. If you put x equal to 0 in numerator, log 0 it is infinity. Put x equal to 0 in denominator, 1 upon 0 it is infinity. So it is infinity upon infinity. So easily we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So what is L'Hopital rule? This is limit x tends to 0. So what is L'Hopital rule? Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of numerator, derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x divided by derivative of denominator, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So just give the reason. This is by L'Hopital rule, or this is called the L'Hopital rule. So this is equal to, write down this left hand side, log y is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now this x get cancelled. So what is the remaining term? Minus x. So solve this limit. This is the left hand side, log y is equal to, now put x equal to 0 in the given function. So 0 it is the limit. Now actually we want to find out the value for y. We want to find out this limit. That means we have to find out the value of y. So find out y. So y is equal to, now if we transform this logarithm terms on right hand side, so logarithm becomes the exponential term. So this will be e raised to 0. And what is y? Y means our given limit. This is limit x tends to 0. What is y? X raised to x is equal to the value of e raised to 0 equal to 1. So this is the final answer of this limit. Now let us take the second example. Evaluate the limit x tends to infinity. This is 1 plus x bracket raised to 1 upon x. Now see, this is our same topic which contains the limit form, contains function raised to another function. This is the fourth type of indeterminate form. The first type of indeterminate form, it is 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity. Second type of indeterminate form, it contains addition or subtraction, infinity plus infinity or infinity minus infinity. Third type of indeterminate form, it is the product form, infinity 0 or 0 with infinity. And fourth type of indeterminate form, it is function raised to another function. It is 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0 or 0 raised to 0. So these are four type of indeterminate form. So this is our given topic. It contains function raised to another function. So see what is the method. Okay, first of all, convert this function raised to another function, first of all in terms of division. This is the technique. If the limit form contains certain division form, which is either 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity form, then for such a type, we can directly apply the L'Hopital rule. For any other these three cases, we cannot apply directly L'Hopital rule. So what is the method? In these remaining cases, we have to convert this form in terms of division form. So write down the solution. So see what is the method. Just now we have seen the method. Let y is equal to limit x tends to infinity 1 plus x bracket raised to 1 upon x. So first of all, denote this limit suppose by y. Now what is the next step? Taking limit on both sides. So just take the limit on both sides. So log y is equal to, this is our left hand side term y. So just take the log. Log y is equal to limit x tends to infinity. Now if you take the log on right hand side, so this is the formula. Log x raised to 8 is given by a log x. Just transform this a to this position. So this is 1 upon x log of, this is 1 plus x. So this is equal to limit x tends to infinity. Now this is the product term. Now if you observe this product term carefully, then it is actually the division form. Log 1 plus x, now we can write this term divided by x. So this is log 1 plus x, 1 upon x means just transform this x in denominator. Actually this is the division term. So see, this is the method. If the limit form contains function raised to another function, then what is the method? Anyhow, convert this form in terms of division form. If the division form is there, suppose 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity, we can use the L'Hopital rule. Now if you put x equal to infinity in denominator, the denominator will be infinity. Put x equal to infinity in numerator, so log infinity it is infinity. So this is our standard form. So right here form in bracket, this is infinity upon infinity form. So if the limit form, if it is a division form, and if the form is either 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity, then we can use the L'Hopital rule. So use the L'Hopital rule. This is limit x tends to infinity. So what is the L'Hopital rule? Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x. This is the formula. Derivative of log function, it is 1 upon x. So use this formula. Derivative of log 1 plus x, it is 1 upon 1 plus x divided by derivative of x equal to 1. So this is the L'Hopital rule. Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. Don't apply u upon v rule. So just give the reason by L'Hopital rule. So this is the L'Hopital rule. If the limit form, if it is a division form, and if it is either 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity, then just take the separate derivative. So this is our left hand side log y, and this is limit x tends to infinity. What is the remaining term? 1 upon 1 plus x. So just solve this limit. This log y is equal to, now put x equal to infinity. Put x equal to infinity. 1 plus infinity, it is again the larger term, bigger term, infinity. So 1 upon infinity, it is 0. So just we have to find out the value for y. So what is y? This logarithm becomes exponential term. And what is y? Y means our given limit. We want to find out this limit. Limit x tends to infinity. 1 plus x bracket is to 1 upon x. We want to find out this limit. Y means our given limit. And what is value for e raised to 0? E raised to 0, it is 1. Now let us take third example on same topic. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 cos x raised to 1 upon x square. So see, this is the same topic. This limit form contains function raised to another function. So this is not the proper form. For L'Hopital rule, what is the proper form? We should require the division form. Either it should be 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity. That is our proper form. So what is the method? First of all, convert this form in terms of division form. So this is the technique. So write down the solution. Let y is equal to limit x tends to 0 cos x raised to 1 upon x square. So what is the next step? Taking logarithms on both sides. This is the method. If the limit form contains function raised to another function, then what is the method? Okay, first of all, denote the given limit supposed by y, and what is the next step? Taking logarithms on both sides. So log y is equal to, this is left hand side y, so just take the logarithms, is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now if we take the logarithms on right hand side, then this will be 1 upon x square log of cos x. So solve this limit. This is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now actually this is the division form, this is not the product. Actually it is in division form. So this is log of cos x. So write this product in terms of division. Just shift this x square to this denominator. So obviously this is the division form. Now if you put x equal to 0, then cos 0 will be 1. And what is log 1? Log 1 it is 0. So numerator will be 0. Put x equal to 0 in denominator, so we get 0. So this is our standard form. So right here in bracket, this is the standard form, 0 by 0 form. So see, what is this limit? Obviously this limit form, it is the division form. And what is the form? It is 0 by 0. So we can use the L'Hopital rule. So this is limit x tends to 0. So what is the L'Hopital rule? Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. So derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x. This is the formula. Derivative of log function, it is 1 upon x. So use this standard formula. Derivative of log function, it is 1 upon cos x into, according to chain rule, multiply by derivative of this inner function. Derivative of cos x, it is minus sin x, divided by derivative of this denominator, derivative of x square, it is 2x. So just give the reason by L'Hopital rule. So this is called L'Hopital rule. If the limit form is 0 by 0, then just take the separate derivative. This law, it is called the L'Hopital rule, or it is called the L'Hopital rule. So this is our left hand side, log y is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now sin x upon cos x, which is tan x. So this is minus tan x divided by this 2x. Now suppose if you put x equal to 0 in numerator, tan 0 it is 0, so numerator will be 0. Put x equal to 0 in denominator, so denominator it is again 0. So we get the same form, which is the standard form. So write in bracket, this is the standard form, 0 by 0 form. So once again we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So this is limit x tends to 0. So what is the L'Hopital rule? Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of tan x, it is sec square x divided by derivative of 2x, it is 2. So just give the reason. This is called L'Hopital rule. So this is our left hand side. Log y is equal to, now put x equal to 0 in numerator. Solve this limit by putting x equal to 0. Now if you put x equal to 0, then sec 0 will be 1. So this is 1/2 with negative sign. So what is the value for y? Y is equal to, this logarithm becomes exponential. So this is the final answer, e raised to minus half. And what is y? Y means our given limit. So just put the given limit. This is limit x tends to 0, cos x raised to 1 upon x square. So what is the value for this limit? It is e raised to minus half. Now let us take the next example. Evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2. This is sin x raised to tan x. Now see, this is again the same form. This limit form contains function raised to another function. So just now we have seen the method. What is the method? Just convert this function raised to function in terms of division form so that we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So this is the solution. First of all, denote this given limit supposed by y. So write down let y is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x raised to tan x. What is the next step? Taking log on both sides. So taking logarithms on both sides, so this is the left hand side, log y is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2, and if you take limit logarithm on right hand side, then we get tan x log of sin x. So see how to convert function raised to function in terms of division form. What is the method? First of all, denote the given limit supposed by y, and what is the next step? Taking logarithms on both sides. So this is limit x tends to pi by 2. Now this is the product form. This limit form contains the product form, and we have seen this method. Okay, how to convert this product in terms of division? What is the method? Either transform this first term in denominator, or we can transform this second term in denominator so that we get the division form. So just transform first term in denominator. So this is log of sin x divided by, now if you transform this tan x in denominator, then it becomes 1 upon tan x. It becomes the reciprocal term. And what is 1 upon tan x? Instead of 1 upon tan x, just write down here cot x. Just transform this tan x in denominator. If we transform tan x in denominator, then we write here 1 upon tan x. It becomes a reciprocal term. And what is 1 upon tan x? 1 upon tan x means it is the cot x. Now solve this limit. Now this is the division form. Now identify whether it is 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity form. Now if you put x equal to pi by 2 in numerator, sin 90 it is 1. And what is log 1? It is 0. Cot pi by 2, put x equal to pi by 2 in denominator. Cot pi by 2, it is again 0. So write down this is the standard form, which is the 0 by 0 form. So we have seen if the limit form contains the division form, and if it is either in 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity, then we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So apply the L'Hopital rule. This is limit x tends to pi by 2. So what is L'Hopital rule? Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x. So use this formula. Derivative of log function, it is 1 upon same function, which is sin x, into, according to chain rule, multiply by derivative of this inner function. Derivative of sin x, which is cos x, divided by derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x. Just give the reason by L'Hopital rule. So this is called L'Hopital rule. Just take the separate derivative. Derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. So log y is equal to the limit x tends to pi by 2. Now this 1 upon cosec means it is 1 upon sine. Sec x means it is 1 upon cos x, and cosec x means it is 1 upon sin x. So cosec square means 1 upon sin square x. So cancel one of the sin x and transform this 1 sin x in numerator. So this will be minus sin x into cos x. See, what is this calculation? Cosec square means this is 1 upon sin square x. 1 upon cosec x means 1 upon sin x. So cosec square x means 1 upon sin square x. Now cancel one of the sin x and transform this sin x in numerator. So we get minus sin x into cos x. So solve this limit. Log y is equal to, now put x equal to pi by 2. This is minus sin pi by 2 into cos pi by 2. And what is cos 90? It is 0. So what is log y? Log y is equal to 0. Now we want to find out the value for y. So what is y? This logarithm becomes exponential, e raised to 0. So what is y? Y means our given limit. It is limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x raised to tan x. This is our given limit. And what is e raised to 0? It is 1. So the value of this limit, it is 1. So see, this is our new topic of discussion. If the limit form contains function raised to another function, then how to convert such a type of limit form in terms of division so that we can apply the L'Hopital rule. Thank you.